morning. May susi ka na.
You know what I got from Disney?
What?
I got a Wish Star toy.
Wow.
I don't have to go backwards walking.
So, good morning guys. Pagod na pagod siya kagabi.
And I'm gonna have some
Sabi niya, paano daw niya nasuot yung pantulog niya? Hindi niya alam. Ngayon kami ay magbe-breakfast muna ulit. This has granola. How about this one, you don't want? Check out na din kami. Tapos lang namin mag-breakfast.
That's the one I sing.
Kasi may binaban niya yung ibang gamit namin. Check out na kami. Pero baka iwan muna namin yung car namin dito. Kasi mas madaling maglakad papunta sa Disney ngayon kaysa magpunta doon at mag-park. Plus another payment na naman. So, yun yung napag-desisyonan namin. So, mamaya, pag umuwi kami, maglalakad ulit kami pabalik lang dito. We are checking out now.
That's the correct one?
First place for me.
Huh?
Iwan. Maiwan mo si Wish yung star. So yan, lakad ulit kami dito. Matutanda. Nandito na kami sa California Adventure.
Pizza.
He is here. Ayan na naman si Spider-Man. Kasi lagi na namin napapanood.
Bakery tour. Ano yan?
Ayan si Spider-Man, guys. Oh, tinuturo ng anak mo.
Wow, you wanna see Spider-Man?
Nalungkot siya.
He will be out again later.
Oh, later na lang. Ayun Pixar kasi, O, dito tayo sa Carlands.
Yeah, magkano na?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Thank you. See Spider-Man today. Take a picture to him. I want to take a picture with him.
We'll come back for him, okay?
Wala. Yan ang sasakyan namin. Pinag-uusapan namin, never kami napipila dito sa left side. Lagi dito sa right. O yan, nagkatotoo.
Hi everybody! Sheriff asked me to give you this important safety message. It was something important.
We need to put seatbelt. Yay! Mama, Nanay, and Michael. I need to remove mine kasi it might flew away.
What about mine?
You have a strap. You're okay. It's Tatay's over there.
And you know what?
Mm.
I was with Tatay the last time, and
The last
now
time.
I'm with Nana.
Yay!
Because I miss her.
Thank you, Anna. Ready? Hold Mama. And hold on to your wish tight, Yeah, by himself? Tatay, where are you? There you are! I thought Hi, anak. Good job! That was fun. Good job. Marta had fun, Tatay.
I saw.
Ngayon, ihi muna kami. Marami pang mga shop dito. Fillmore's. Carsland, diba? So nice, diba? Kung ano itsura sa movie, parang yun din itsura dito. Ayan, Cozy Cone. Tapos, sasakay kami kay Luigi. Ayan, Flo's Cafe. Makikita niyo yan lahat sa movie ng Cars. So cool, diba? Ready for another ride? Let's buy some tires. What kind of tire do you want, ma'am? We have many different kinds of tires. You see? What kind of tire do you want? So, mga plastic din to. Dito to ang gulong. Medyo mahaba ang pila. So, pila kami. Haba ng pila. Second ride.
What are you doing in the car? Sorry. That's not
Wow. Minute. We'll see if we'll get it. But if someone took it, then see. It's a girl! Even if it's blue. There's Tatay. Tatay. Wait, anak. Hi. And Tatay is there. Tatay. Look at the camera, anak.
Marta, Nanay.
Oh, let's go na. Go with Tatay.
Your dance partner
That was fun. So we're done with the Luigi. Gusto namin sumakay ng Radiator Spring. Pero we're not sure. Sabi sa app, temporary close pa rin. Sarado daw, pero ang daming tao. Ano ba?
Sarado nga, but they're waiting.
Nagutom siya. So wala eh. Wala kami pag-asa.
Close pa rin.
Close pa rin. So lakad na lang kami. So lagi kami nagbabaon ng food. Ngayon ang binaon namin, Hawaiian bread. Tapos kumuha kami ng sausage sa sa hotel, yung free breakfast. So ayan, at least may snack.
Pero pinapaandar na nila. Kaso walang tao.
Pero madaming nakapila.
Mahaba pa rin,
Oo, that's too long.
Let's just come back. So kung kasi ubusin natin oras natin dun. And right now, let's just sakyan natin, masasakyan natin. And then later, kahit magbubus tayo ng oras.
So, yun lang, Radiator Spring. Diyan, dumadaan yung mga cars. Pero ikot muna kami sa iba dahil hindi siya gumagana.
Dun sa Jess,
Ito, kainan.
Fransokyo. Ano?
Naging San Francisco na to.
Baymax.
Dati hindi ito ganito eh. Nirenovate na nila. Naging Golden Bridge na siya. Nagustuhan ng bread. Gutom siya. Ayun yung Ferris wheel. So, Pixar Pier. Tapos sa kabila is yung Little Mermaid. Yan ang gusto sakyan ni Micah. Hopefully, hindi na siya close kasi kanina sa app close siya. So, yan. Ang roller coaster. Ay, roller coaster. Ferris wheel. Nakikita nyo, di ba? May mga nagsiswing. May mga stable dyan. Hindi nagsiswing. Pero, maraming nagsiswing. Say hi, Micah.
Share up boys with all. We will march forth and give a roll. We're plastic and proud, so put us to
We're
the
plastic and proud.
mighty army.
Ito ang Zephyr.
Nasakyan niya na yan nang hindi niya nalalaman.
Pero ngayon ayaw na niya sakyan. Baka tulog siya nun dahil.
Hindi yan, tapang niya nga.
Wala siyang react nun, di ba? May mga jumping jellyfish doon.
Medyo mukhang extra. Let's look for the
Corn dogs. Ano bang... Ay pala may nagkaka-caricature doon eh. The mad one is up.
Listen up, everybody. Get ready for the
Oh.
Got it. How
dito. Ang bilis lang ha. That's not 50 minutes. Sabi ko bibimbap. Bo Peep. Si ano, Mr. Potato Head. Me and Micah will be together. Then Tatay by himself again. Ganda sa yellow. Ready, girl? Okay. Do your best, girl. Smile, baby. That's our score. Good job, baby. Who is that? Galing, baby ko ah. This is our score. Good job. Ilan score mo? Ah, kala ko ikaw nakascore eh.